Hey everyone, Jared here with JDS Industries, and today I'm going to show you how to apply our sublimatable patches. First thing what we want to do is remove the protective backing. Now, after removing the protective backing, there is a self-adhesive on there, so you can just apply it to the t-shirt. And for the polyester patch, what we're going to do is 300 degrees for 15 seconds with a medium pressure. For the burlap patches, we want to go a little bit longer in our time and our temperature. We're going to be doing these for 330 degrees for 42 seconds with a medium pressure. We only need Teflon sheet or scratch paper covering the top of everything in the heat press so it protects the top heat plat. We offer these patches in many different shapes and sizes. If you'd like more information, visit us online or give us a call at the number below. Thanks for watching.